My name is Manisha. I'm from Ananda Permaculture Farm. Today I'm going to tell you about how to make an A-frame. An A-frame is an important device which we use to dig out swales in a permaculture farm. Swale helps to trap the water which flows down the hill, thereby stopping soil erosion and actually building soils and the water table. So let's take a look at how to make the A-frame today. So an A-frame is made with 3 equal sized sticks. You can choose any kind of a stick. We've taken bamboo from our own farm. It's a bit crooked and not so neat, but it should probably do the job. So we take equal sized sticks and we make a triangle or equilateral triangle out of the 3 sticks. So we are securing the joints with a piece of string, also known as sutli, and just make a tight 8-shaped, figure of 8 knot. If you've been a scout or a girl guide, then this would come pretty easily to you. You have to make sure that the joint is fairly stiff and does not move at all at each of the 3 corners. So the A-frame is now ready. We've tied up the 3 bamboos into equilateral triangle, well, somewhat of an equilateral triangle. We now have a plumbing line here in our hand, and what we're going to do is we're going to hang the plumbing line from the top down here to the middle. Now we know that we are currently standing on completely a flat floor, and therefore when the plumbing line touches the middle, we are actually on one contour, right? So we are going to make a mark there at the bottom where the plumbing line is touching the bamboo, and that will be our center, and it will help us to trace and map contour lines when we go back into the field. So we've hung the plumbing line and we've put a mark here which marks the point where the plumbing line hangs on completely flat surface. Okay, we are now going to take the A-frame into the field and start marking out contour lines where 2 points are at the same contour when the plumbing line meets this point. Okay, we are here at the slope now and we are going to start marking out our contours. So we pick a point on the slope and we say we are going to start working from here. So this is our first point, right? We move the A-frame till we find another spot where our plumbing line hits the center. So this seems to be a spot which I found, and therefore I'll go ahead and mark the second point with some chalk as well, right? And then you start walking the A-frame a little bit like this. Hold on to the second point, move it to the next point where you'll probably find, something, a similar contour. So let's see, we need to move this a little bit, maybe on the lower side. And yeah, we found another contour where the plumbing line is hitting the center again. So we put some more chalk here, and just like that, we keep moving. We move the A-frame again. I like to call it walking the A-frame because that's really what you're doing, walking the A-frame from one place to the other and marking out your contours. So here we found like almost a C-shaped contour. I'm going to throw some more chalk there, and then we have a nice little contour to dig out and build a swale line. Yeah, so this is how you go ahead making an A-frame and marking out contours on land. For some more tricks and tips on permaculture, do follow us on www.ananda.com, that's AANANDAA.com, or follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our channel to see more such videos. Bye-bye.